As President Donald Trump reaches his 100th day back in office, his return has been nothing short of a political storm. From immigration crackdowns to sweeping cultural reforms, he has made it clear that he is here to deliver. But how much has changed and how much remains just rhetoric? Let's take a closer look. Trump's action on inflation. Trump has declared victory over inflation, boasting that we already solved inflation after the rate dropped from 3% in January to 2.4% in March. While prices have cooled since their 2022 peak, experts including the Federal Reserve caution that Trump's expansive tariff plans may soon drive prices up again. Immigration crackdown. On immigration, Trump has followed through on one of his signature pledges to secure the southern border. The number of illegal crossings from Mexico has dropped dramatically from nearly 250,000 in December 2023 to just over 7,000 in March. However, aggressive nationwide ICE enforcement has led to a spike in deportations, many of which are under scrutiny for bypassing due process. Energy cost promise. Energy affordability was a major campaign promise, with Trump pledging to cut utility bills by up to 75% within 18 months. So far, no concrete results have been felt by consumers. Tariffs and trade. When it comes to trade, Trump has aggressively reintroduced tariffs. He has escalated import taxes on goods from Canada, Mexico, and China, with some tariffs on Chinese products reaching as high as 145%. He declared April 2 Liberation Day when he expanded import taxes even further, although some were later scaled back in favor of negotiations. These volatile trade moves have rattled the stock market and raised concerns about long-term economic stability. Russia-Ukraine war. Trump had also promised to swiftly end the war between Russia and Ukraine, claiming that he would settle it before he even arrives at the Oval Office. That has not happened. Despite repeating the vow throughout his campaign, there has been no breakthrough or visible progress on the diplomatic front. Higher education targets. In higher education, Trump has launched a crackdown aimed at DEI programs and foreign students. Harvard, one of his main targets, has resisted demands to cut ties with certain initiatives, prompting Trump to threaten its tax-exempt status and block it from enrolling foreign students, who make up over a quarter of the university's population. Billions in federal grants and contracts have been frozen, and other universities across the country are also under pressure. Transgender policy. On transgender rights, Trump has issued executive orders banning transgender athletes from participating in girls' and women's sports. He has also asked the Supreme Court to support his attempt to remove transgender troops from military service, reviving a policy blocked during his first term. Environmental rollback. Finally, on environmental policy, Trump has moved to reverse regulations promoting clean energy. He revoked a non-binding Biden-era goal for electric vehicle adoption and is attempting to end California's authority to phase out gas-powered cars by 2035. That effort, however, depends on Congress, and no legislation has yet passed. Overall, his broader aim to promote fossil fuels continues through executive action, though with limited immediate effect. So, 100 days in, President Trump has made bold moves across nearly every major policy front. From immigration and tariffs to Russia-Ukraine war and energy promises, his presidency is charging forward. But the legal, economic, and political consequences of many of these actions are still unfolding. Whether these changes stick or backfire remains to be seen, but for more updates, keep watching India TV News.